Shreya,
Shrestha,
Sanjna,
Anika,
and Amaya. Humans Help Animals by Shreya. Fun fact number 1. On March 2003 in Sydney, Australia, Joe Skibaris and some of his friends were going fishing. A whale shark came near their boat and stayed there. Joe jumped into the water to see what was going on. The whale shark had a rope lashed tightly around its body, so the shark floated patiently for 20 minutes while Joe removed the cord. Fun fact number 2. A group of marine photographers near Kona, Hawaii got a visit from a dolphin on January 2013. The marine mammal circled several times, eventually swimming up to one of them and putting its left side in their sights. Its fin was entangled in fishing wire and pierced by a metal hook. The dolphin waited while diver Kelly Lawrence cut away the wire, digging painfully into the animal's flesh. Unfortunately, the divers weren't able to clip off the metal hook before the dolphin swam away, but they were happy to help him to swim again.
Animals Help Humans by Shrestha. Fun fact number 1. Chi-Chi the Chihuahua in Outer Banks, North Carolina, rescued an old woman from drowning. No one was paying attention to the drowning lady, and the dog started barking to get everyone's attention. As soon as everyone looked at the lady, she was saved by the guards. Fun fact number 2. In British Columbia, Canada, a little boy named Austin went out to collect wood to burn in the furnace at his house. His golden retrievers started acting cautious when they were taking the same trail. Suddenly, a cougar attacked him. Luckily, the big dog jumped on the cougar and bore the burn instead. The dog did suffer injuries, but he saved the boy.
Health Benefits by Sanjna.
The famous saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," may not actually be true. However, an animal a day might. There are a number of different benefits to pet ownership, including a number of health benefits. We will be talking about 5 of the top health benefits. Health Benefit 1. Pets actually help relieve allergies. While that may seem somewhat odd to you, multiple studies have been conducted at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Pediatrician James E. Gurn discovered that having a pet in the home lowers a child's likelihood of developing an allergy by as much as 33%. Pets help improve socialization skills. One of the benefits of a pet is that they make an excellent icebreaker. Sometimes people have a hard time meeting each other, and pets help people connect. Health benefit number 3. Owning a pet helps keep your heart healthy. The CDC and the NIH have both conducted studies on people who own pets. They found that pet owners exhibit decreased blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. This helps reduce the risk of heart attacks. Health benefit number 4. Pets help you stay active. Dogs act as the perfect trainers, mainly because they need to be walked so often. According to the Wellness Institute at Northwest Memorial Hospital, as long as you are holding the leash, you will reap the rewards. Health benefit number 5. Pets help you feel happy. Pets are not only known to give unconditional love, they also help owners get a sense of purpose, which can be crucial. Pets also give people companionship, which can combat feelings of loneliness.
Biomimicry by Anika. Fun fact number 1. The Shinkansen bullet train was the fastest train in the world, traveling 200 miles per hour. Air pressure changes produced large thunderclaps every time the train emerged from a tunnel, causing residents 1/4 a mile away to complain. Modeling the front end of the train after the beak of kingfishers, which dive from the air into bodies of water with very little splash to catch fish,
resulted not only in a quieter train, but 15% less electricity use even while the train travels 10% faster. Fun fact number 2. The Eastgate building, an office complex in Harare, Zimbabwe, has an internal climate control system originally inspired by the structure of termite mounds. Research is revealing more about the relationship between mound structure and internal temperature, and could influence additional building designs as our understanding grows. Architect Mick Pierce collaborated with engineers at Arup Associates to design Eastgate, which uses 90% less energy for ventilation than conventional buildings its size, and has already saved the building owners over $3.5 million in air conditioning costs. Fun fact number 3. The whale's surprising dexterity is due mainly to its flippers, which have large, irregular-looking bumps called tubercles across their leading edges. Wind tunnel tests of model humpback fins with and without tubercles have demonstrated the aerodynamic improvements tubercles make, such as an 8% improvement in lift and 32% reduction in drag, as well as allowing for a 40% increase in angle of attack over smooth flippers before stalling. A company called Whale Power is applying the lessons learned from humpback whales to the design of wind turbines to increase their efficiency. While this natural technology also has enormous potential to improve the safety and performance of airplanes, fans, and more. Okay. Fun fact number 4. The tip of the mosquito's mouth is composed of several moving parts that work into the skin with the minimum of fuss and the minimum of pain. Materials researchers and engineers at Kansai University in Japan saw amazing potential in the structure of the mosquito's mouth. They used sophisticated engineering techniques that can carve out the structures on the nanometer scale. The result of this blend of material science and biology was a needle that penetrates like a mosquito, using pressure to stabilize and painlessly glide into the skin. Researchers at Imperial College and Rutherford Appleton Laboratory in the UK have applied engineering techniques similar to those of their colleagues at Kansai, achieving similar results. They showed that a neuroprobe tipped with this biomimetic design required the least amount of force to move.
Animals in Research by Amaya. Fun fact number 1. Animals have been used in research for a long time. However, it has been properly acknowledged and labeled in the 16th century. Animals such as mice, rats, and small plankton, and domestic animals such as dogs, cats, and rabbits have been used in research. People have used simple methods for animal research such as observing their behavior or giving a special food. Other, more complex methods of using animals for research include having their blood drawn or even gene therapy. Fun fact number 2. Most people ask whether or not animal research leads to the suffering of animals. The answer to that question is no. Researchers are required by law to minimize any and all anticipated or observed discomfort of animals in labs. In fact, strict regulation and laws are in place to ensure this. Animal research is the most heavily regulated activity involving the use of animals. They also review how every individual animal is going to be used for a study, paying close attention to any possible pain and stress involved in all procedures. The majority of procedures involves no pain or discomfort at all, and may only require visual observation for changes in behavior, a change in diet, or a single injection or blood sample.